Have you seen Jurassic Park? What is so interesting about it? Dinosaurs ruled the earth for an immense period of about 165 to 180 million years. What made dinosaurs go extinct? What could be the biggest reason for the extinction of humans? According to me, we being the most intelligent species on earth. We are least bothered about life around us. The wild tiger population of the world in the last 100 years has declined rapidly. There is major loss of Asian elephants over past centuries. The wild animal population sizes have reduced by 73% in 2020. Terrestrial species declined by 39% between 1970 and 2010. The LPI freshwater species shows an average decline of 76%. Marine species declined 39% between 1970 and 2010. The forests are depleting. Punjab tops the list with 20% of the share. What could be the reason for all this? It is us. Yes, it is us. We humans are responsible. How? We humans are the threat. The average American throws away 81.5 pounds of clothing each year. We buy 5 times as many clothes now as we did in 1980s. We use 1 million plastic bags every minute worldwide. The world produces 300 million tons of plastic each year. 40% of food in the United States goes uneaten. The average US household has 3 lakh items. One third of the world's food is wasted while 815 million people go hungry. The average car is parked 99% of the time. If everyone lived like the average American, we would need 5 Earths to sustain our lifestyle. 1 million animal and plant species are now threatened with extinction. At least 600 vertebrate species have gone extinct since the 16th century. The majority of native species in land based habitats have declined by at least 20% since the 1900s. More than 40% of the amphibians are threatened with extinction. Nearly 33% of reef-forming corals are facing extinction threats. Human activities are overusing Earth's biocapacity by an estimated 56%. We are not sustainable. Sustainability in engineering systems, where our journey towards sustainability begins. What is sustainability? It is an idea, a concept. Sustainability is fundamentally about meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This concept was formally introduced by the World Commission on Environment and Development, Brundtland Commission, in 1987 in their report Our Common Futures. In broader terms, sustainability refers to the ability to maintain or support a process continuously over time. It encompasses programs, initiatives, and actions aimed at preserving of resources while ensuring long-term ecological balance and human well-being. What are the core principles of sustainability? Sustainability operates on three fundamental pillars, also known as triple bottom line. You can see the visual diagram there showing the three pillars in interconnected circles. The first pillar is the planet or sustainable environmental sustainability, which focuses on preserving natural resources and protecting ecosystems. It involves reducing pollution, minimizing waste, and maintaining biodiversity. This pillar ensures that we live within the means of our natural resources, including materials, energy fuels, land, and water. It includes transitional to renewable energy sources and circular economy principles. The second pillar is the profit or the economic sustainability, which requires businesses and countries to use resources efficiently and responsibly to consistently produce operational profit. It focuses on creating long term economic value without depleting natural resources. This involves sustainable business practices that generate profit while being environmentally responsible and promotes innovation and creates new market opportunities. The third pillar is the people or the social sustainability, which is the ability of the society to persistently achieve good well being. It ensures that social well being can be maintained in the long term, addressing issues like health, education, and equal opportunity. This pillar focuses on poverty reduction, job creation, social justice, and community empowerment. The interconnected nature of sustainability. The three pillars are systemic and interconnected. Each domain affects all the others and is affected by each in return. This means that achieving only two out of the three pillars results in incomplete sustainability. Environmental plus economic is viable but not socially equitable. Social plus environmental is bearable but not economically sustainable. Social plus economic is equitable but not environmentally sustainable. True sustainability requires balancing all three pillars equally.